I'm going to Larrabee State Park in Bellingham now. I heard that someone was collecting Songyi mushroom here. I'm on my way to find a new Songyi spot. In conclusion, no Songyi mushrooms were found. The person who found the Songyi here said it was found at 1,300 feet, but I was unable to get to Fragrance Lake at 1,000 feet. It was raining, so I couldn't get to the target point, Cyrus Gate Overlook, and came back. Perhaps there are Songyi mushrooms in higher places. I failed to collect Songyis on that day, but I was able to see many strange gifts of nature. My wife said the wide duration of this tree is interesting. I was amazed at the tree roots covering this rock. The Puget Sound, seen from the Fragrance Lake Trail overlook, was superb. When I was almost done at Fragrance Lake, I found oyster mushrooms. The elevation here is 1,000 feet. Finally, got this Fragrance Lake. The reflection here is like a mirror. What is this? What is this? I was hoping for a white truffle, but this looks like Calvatia formosa. So this weird artist conch nearby. Right next tree, this fearless woodpecker is pecking hard at the tree. This red-headed woodpecker reminded me of the wood woodpecker I saw when I was a child.
Guess who?
40 years ago in South Korea, the cartoon was aired on TV. Anyway, this guy didn't run away even my wife got close this much. This is a red-breasted sapsucker that sucks the sap of trees. On the way down the mountain, I saw many parasol mushrooms. The oyster mushroom I saw earlier, and these parasol mushrooms are the mushrooms I saw a lot in the Cougar Mountain in the past. Below 1,000 feet of this Larrabee State Park, there seems to be a low probability of Songyi mushrooms. The summit of this mountain is 1,800 feet. The Songyi mushrooms seems to be near the top.